In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Coupons application. Let's go into Graphic Tools and the Coupons app. You can create a new coupon from scratch or go ahead and hit Open Template. We have a whole bunch of different ones for you to choose from. We'll go into Breaks Coupons and choose this one here. We're going to want to replace this logo. So we'll just click on that and click the trash bin to delete it. We can just go to Uploads. We'll upload our logo. You may already have one in here if you've uploaded it to your website before. I'm just going to click on this and it's going to drop it right onto the page. I can click and drag from one of the corners to resize and just drag it around to rearrange it. Looks like a good spot there. Maybe I'll make it a little smaller. I could also go into images here, brands. Maybe I'm doing a special on some Bosch brakes. So I'll just click on that to drop it on the page, do the same thing, resize it and move it around. I'll put it right there next to my logo. I can edit anything on this page. Just double click on any of the text to edit. Maybe I want to change the price here. Make it $89.99. You can see all the text editing on the left. You can change the font color, font size. I have the layers panel over here. It's going to show all the different elements on my page. Whatever you currently have selected will be highlighted in your layers. We have this $89.99 selected. This eye icon will show and hide, trash can to delete, and hit the lock to prevent any more changes being made to that element. Notice the tools we have over here. Duplicate items, delete, rotate, skew, flip horizontal and vertical, group items together, ungroup, move to the front or back, undo, redo, and center. Once you're happy with your coupon, just go ahead and hit save. Now we can exit the coupon app. If we go into edit our site, we're going to want to drop this coupon right above the footer on our home page. So I'm going to go to the coupons page section and drop this coupon widget right on the page. You can see this isn't the one we want. We're just going to click on that and hit replace. Now we'll see this coupon we were working on. Just hit the check mark and apply changes. And now we have our coupon on our page. And there's an option to print it out. Don't forget to save and publish when you're done.